girlfriend want a nigga like me, cause I ain't trying to catch. She called me when she black diamond, she knows that we ain't the same, you hit the scene now. I say I'm in her head like Maybelline, H-Town, so I'm Maybelline. I'm in that soul, I'm making spring, I got it so I don't. I'm easy tag, Peter Pan, you want the man, you don't need a man. I'm flying down your boulevard, she cooking dinner with. I'm in my soul, I made a dream, I ride road. I shall eat today like Peter Pan. She want a man, you don't need a man. I'm flying down your boulevard. She cooking dinner with. Let's go, Drake's up, check out, yo. Know what I'm talking about. Pulls up, pull out, we get it poppin' in the pocket. She like to do it with the lights. Don't matter me if it's dark tonight. I'm G'd up, East up, tight, this, tight, tight. Say what? Let's go. Want somebody that ain't trying to keep. They like what I said. They can put you to bed. That ain't trying to love you, baby. Just let you instead. And don't tell them nothing tight. You know that I'm coming. Just hit up my phone. You need you something. Got the jack in my cup. What's up for Pimp C, man? One time for DJ's Cool, man, what's good? Hello, hello, hello. I came down, came up, slow bitch, change up, same hood, same job, same drink, same cup. She called me when she wants. I never called, she know what's up. Same page, same book, different song, same book. Every time she on the phone with the same book. Every time I pull up, she hit me with that same. I got her lips right, hips right. She left a man for that get right. I'm in the middle like day and night. But only if you got that sip tight. Only if you got that Wi-Fi. Only if you got that sip tight. Only if you got that mind bomb. Only if you got that sip tight. I might eat that shit like wine time. Talking baby, I'm pimp tight. I'm used to being that one and done. But girl, you got that beauty. Girl, I know how much you really want somebody that ain't trying to need you. Say what? Girl, I know how much you really want somebody. Want somebody that ain't trying to keep. Say, you heard what I'm saying? That ain't trying to love you, baby. Just let you understand. And don't tell them nothing, baby. You know that I'm coming, baby. Just hit up my phone whenever you need you some company. Got this drink in my cup. H-Town. I got this drink in my cup. I got this drink in my cup. Let's go. I done came down. I say, hold up. I say, I done came down like, hold up. Fuck you. Juice. What's going down? Hold up. It's your boy Kurt Cobain, you know what I'm talking about. Had to come out here and show some love to the ATX, you feel me? You feel me? Alrighty, before I leave, I'm gonna need y'all to make some noise for ATX one time, man. Let's go, man. Alrighty. We say, take it from the side. Say, go Louisiana from the side. Say, and Mississippi from the side. Hold up, hold up. I need all y'all the south side. Let's go. We south side, the south side. Yeah, the south side, the south side. Everybody do the south side, the south side. Yeah, the south side, the south side. Hands your hands on the south side, the south side. Yeah, yeah. The south side, the south side. Rock it, do the side, yeah. Hold on, we gonna try, hold on. We gonna take them to H-Town one time. I forgot to do this. We gonna bring it back. We gonna take y'all back to H-Town one time, man. Drop that, baby, let's go. Hold up. In the expedition, spotting my tuition. Got my partners cooking up. Hold up.
Raws on the mission. Break the boys out, screens in my expedition. Screens in my leg, yup, my drunk crack. Break the boys out, just like this and like that.
Make some noise, man. We out of here, man.
Smoke some, bitch. 2K. Hold up.